Area hello, and they welcome for football and pitching. After match, talk about how you see them. Chelsea 0 and Arsenal 1. And we get Stashi, will be a Bonga Chelsea fan. May tell us about how in see this game. Stashi, now how you see the match?
First and foremost, I'm weak.
You weak.
The match weak me because the moment I see the starting lineup, the problem of the match start from the starting lineup. The moment I see the starting lineup, I know say this match, Chelsea does set the match. I don't know what to be the coach problem for this team. This same formation when you use to play Brighton, when Brighton win you 4-1. How many 4-1? Chelsea score for that match. Then when you 4-1, you carry that same formation again. Take up play Arsenal where they ought. We won't get lucky about the match. They say we won't play 1-0. And I believe say the reason why that match was because it's a big match. And normally Arsenal not fit your Koko win Chelsea. Say they call the win the any scoreline. You understand why that match end 1-0? Now that match with that formation where Chelsea use, they're supposed to load us well for the match. So I am not surprised. I'm not just surprised at all about the scoreline because the loss was expected and we accept the defeat in good faith.
So you don't talk say now you don't accept the defeat because it be like say still going up for sand. They don't need to cry about time again. You don't think as okay Arsenal don't win. They don't carry their 3 points go. But I want to get your opinion for one matter. Will be like say you know be Arsenal fan, but how you dey see this Arsenal team this season?
In fact, the truth I say, this league for the beginning of the season where they talk about one Arsenal fan talk and say Arsenal don't go. I may say the league don't go. Now it don't clear. Say the Lord because if you observe Liverpool, not they play anything for this season for the league this season. Chelsea, rubbish. Man U, they're not they play anything for the league. All the big teams, they're not they play what they're supposed to play. And only Arsenal and Man City now with the potential now so say that they be potential league winners for the league this season. You understand? And if you observe, Arsenal are not ready to drop points for Man City because all these small teams where they meet, they beat the small. Now that will be the advantage of the league. Anytime you know they beat, they win all your small match. If you they meet big team, what do you pray for and win or draw? May you go. Is it that you carry your 1 point or you carry your 3 point goal? God so willing. You they get. So if you observe this league for me, Arsenal don't carry the league. I wait till I get to talk.
You believe Arsenal go win this league ahead of Man City?
Yes, so Arsenal go win the league.
All right now.
They fit get too much challenge based on Man City to not be still easy side, you understand? They fit still get small, but Arsenal as it stands, from which I see, Arsenal carry the league. Even if that's small points, Arsenal take past Man City, Arsenal don't carry the league.
Okay. But how I want to ask you now as a Chelsea fan, how you see the work where Graham Potter they do currently for your club?
Total rubbish that Graham Potter they do for the team. In fact, that coach supposed to go relegation. As in relegation team, now the coach supposed to coach. Although they're all City, there's Stoke City, other kinds because I don't know what you go make that coach they use Loftus-Cheek for match. You dey see and this boy they show you every day of his life. Any day you time on match, they show you say you know they capable to play the wing, that midfield when you put on so that first team match when you give on so he's not capable of playing it. Okay, you can imagine as since Zakaria play our last match. First match, he scored a first goal. Why you go put Zakaria for bench for this kind of match? When you see the boy get eagerness to play, to score. With the Chelsea major problem, now that midfield. You dey get. The midfield now, so we get Kovacic, we get Jorginho. You dey get. Logic, to me, Logic not be midfielder. Midfielder not got the whole ball, the dribble, anyhow, the loose ball for midfield. Which kind of midfielder now? Unnecessary dribble, now the dribble. If you dribble as a midfielder, yes, we understand, so okay. Normally, midfielder is supposed to steal whole ball, control ball, do 1 or 2, but not the same way you're not supposed to dribble. Now that time you go to do skill, the loose ball. You can imagine the own goal when he score for our last Premier League match. You understand? All those errors. Coach supposed to see all those things, they don't say, okay, this boy, all the you dey get. If possible, carry and go wing. If you want dribble to the dribble, make the square the ball for wing. We don't say that wing. For that midfield, the moment you lose ball with that midfield, a counter. They don't use and say go score. We get lucky for the match because I know even I say I even call sorry for us for the match. I should say I respect Chelsea. If not, they both win us probably 1-0. I don't dey wait for the goal since and the goal come. I just say okay, one and they win the counter. I'm saying they go score down maybe 2 because they haven't taken my ticket yourself for my bet. So I bet over 1.5. He die. I bet both teams to score. He die. What if they won't come play? They won't come enter. So you dey get. So the coach total rubbish now the coach dey do for the team. I just pray make Chelsea continue to dey lose because if Chelsea no dey lose match, the owner of the team not go see that error when the coach dey make to sack the coach. And Chelsea, I believe they normally for sacking, they waste time. Once the coach do error well, 2 seconds they will sack and come over the team. And my prayer be that make the coach come because the team too big on the coach, too big on that coach. Suppose goes coach. He need to go back to a Brighton when he come from. You can imagine you where we say you be Brighton coach before. You play team when you the coach before. They can't beat you. It don't make sense now. It don't make sense. It don't make sense. The coach, no. That coach now no for me. Not be Graham Potter supposed to be Chelsea coach. They need to change that coach. He's not doing a good job.
All right, Anastashi, thank you for your time.